Welcome back to Eating the African, where today we decided to visit one of the local restaurants here along Entebbe Road. This restaurant is called Goette's Restaurant. It cooks any kind of food, breakfast, lunch, supper, as you can see, and you can see the phone number here. And our guest today, or our eater, is Dora. Please come and introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, welcome to Eating the African Way. I'm really super excited and we're going to be trying out a local African dish called Luwombo alongside other dishes like matoke, rice, posho. Just come in over here and experience the African touch.
So if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Don't forget to comment. You can visit our channel.
My channel is called DeaDora and my name is Dora.
Let us get inside.
Yes.
This is the lady behind all the foods in this local restaurant. Please introduce yourself to the viewers.
My name is Goreti Nanyonga and this is my restaurant.
So which foods do you prepare here?
I normally cook posho, rice, matoke, yams, everything like which concerns local food, we do it.
Wow. Ooh, so someone out there might want to know or might want to start the same business like what you're doing here. How much do you think someone might need the capital to start with? Yes.
Like me, I start with just little money, and I remember that money my friend borrowed me 30,000 or
30.
Is it 300 or 30?
Mitwala Satu?
Mitwala Satu.
300. Okay, 300. Okay.
Yeah. I start with that money. I paid the rent 1 month. Then I got some little things which I started with.
Okay. Oh, sorry about the sound because we are on the road. But how much was rent?
Rent was like 100
a month.
Yeah.
So is this 100 until now?
But up to now I changed the price. This one is like 70,000.
Wow, this one is less cheaper.
Yeah, this one is cheaper like the other one from before.
Okay, so someone would want to know how much profit you gain here daily.
Daily? But things can change, not a must that I have to get this money, no. Can change, like I can get like 20, even sometimes I cannot get. But like I can get 20, 30, 40, the days can change, my friend.
Yes, as you know in business, today you can gain, tomorrow you lose. It happens everywhere. So let us talk about the losses.
Oh, my friend, for losses, I can't tell because everyone who is going to start a business, you have to think of profit and losses. Don't think of profits only. My friend, losses in this food, they are very, very many. Sometimes you can make like even I don't know how I can tell you, but losses, you have to think of it.
So in every business you expect to gain or to lose. So if the losses are coming every time, so don't lose hope. Today might be a bad day, tomorrow will be a good one. So keep pushing. I think we should get into our food.
Yeah, today
I'm so hungry.
For today I have prepared for them Luwombo, forginat and meat.
Wow.
Come, we enjoy. This is where we prepare our food, though we are in a small place, as you know, Kampala, but this is where we prepare our food. I'm going to serve my customer, my client for today. She's going to eat Luwombo. Here is Oluwombo. I put it here with this one so that it cannot pour. For her, she wants rice. We cook white rice because nowadays people, they don't want cooking oil. We mostly deal in boiled food. We don't fry our food. Here is matoke, you see. It's not in kavera. It is in these banana fibers. Oh, it's hot. She don't eat much, this girl of mine. That is for her, I think. With greens. With some greens on it. Yeah, that is for her today. Luwombo rice. greens and matoke. They are for boiled food. Boil. We don't fry our food here at Goretti's restaurant. Now let me take to my client. Luwombo, they don't use fork.
I have to
As
wash my hands.
yeah, there outside. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, dear.
This is the time we've been waiting for the entire day.
The most important dish is the Luwombo. Guys, you can't believe there is food inside these banana fibers and it is not even coming out.
I want you to be honest to people. You give them your own honest opinion.
Okay.
After eating, not now.
Okay.
After eating.
I think I'm already impressed right away. I'm already impressed because it does not leak at all. It is well prepared. The aroma and everything is already on set. So
this is how it looks inside.
you don't need a plate. This is enough.
Our local functions such as kuchala or introduction, they give you something like this. But inside there's always chicken. Back in the days, they used not to put salt. I don't know why, but some Bakos or the other side used to walk with salt in their pockets. If you want to know more about the history about Luwombo, please visit my channel. Check the older videos about Luwombo. You get to know the magic behind it.
Guys, I can't talk because I'm eating. That is the African way. You don't over talk. Yes.
How is our food?
I can't explain it, but I think you should find a local Luwombo and try it for yourself. Like instead of those chemicals in the saucepans that are already directly into the food, these are natural things. Like even the aroma from the banana leaves have mixed with the ground nuts. It is thick. It is very, very thick. It is not watery at all. You might think she didn't add any water. So guys, I don't know, me, I'm out of words.
So this episode is about beef Luwombo and our guest DeaDora. Find time, go to her channel, check out. Please subscribe to her channel, like. What else can you do on your channel?
It's all about interviews, about lifestyles and everything, but I bring on hustlers, people who are doing things they love, put aside money and everything. It's about someone trying to survive in something that they like. So I made an interview about him. Check out my channel DeaDora and let us eat the Luwombo, guys.
I'm going to drop a link in the description. Find time, check it out, share your experience with her.
Guys, if you're on Tebe Road or Namasuba and you know this place, just come and testify that we are not faking this. The Luwombo is real. This is nakati.
Yeah, greens. Ezange ziliwa.
Sorry, mugenyi mukuru.
So in this channel we eat, we cook.
Everything the African way.
African way. We give you authentic cooking videos. If you follow the steps, follow the procedures, we come out with the same food, same taste. Today we didn't cook, we just came out to check out the foods which are cooked here at Goretti's restaurant. Yes, that is the name. It's along in Tebe Road, Bata stage. If you reach there, you cannot get lost. So, how often do you eat Luwombo?
I'm African, but we don't really have Luwombo all the time. It is served or prepared on only special occasions. So if I get a chance and I go on an African local occasion, I'm excited about the Luwombo.
Why not your occasion? So as you have heard, this Luwombo is prepared when at home when there is functions like Chala Kwanjula, or when there are people who are coming, they are very important people who are visiting you. So the people at home would decide to prepare Luwombo for them. Dora, any last word to the viewers? She's still eating.
Guys, wherever you are and whatever your culture is, I please recommend you to go and try out the local dish of your culture. This has been an amazing experience, trying out Luwombo on just a normal day, and it's not even any ceremony. The feeling just makes me feel more African, and go and try out the Luwombo recipe, guys.
If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back.
Yes.
Today we visited a local restaurant in my residence. What we just ate is, I'm even forgetting the words. It's Luwombo, Rwanyama, Nebinyebwa. That is my local language. In English, it means Luwombo for beef and peanuts.
Yeah.
There's no English name for Luwombo. It has remained Luwombo. Everywhere you go, it's Luwombo. Thank you so much for being here.
We love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting.
Bye-bye.
Bye.